last chance to find a little something good in this mess we've made. Tell me that it's over, we could start again. Life can make you sober, but I told you thick and thin, 'cause we don't quit. I'm all in, just don't fade out, 'cause I'm here now.
भी टीम्स बने थे, आप लोगों ने जो एक्टिविटीज पे सामने आके आप लोगों को बोलना होगा। आपके टीम लीडर्स को कोई बनाए गए थे? अच्छा, टीम लीडर्स भी अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे, टीम मेंबर्स को भी कंपल्सरी है और टीम मेंबर्स को इनपुट देना अबाउट दैट। ओके, समझ में आएगा क्या करने वाले? चलो चलो।
The winners of overall, the first position goes to GDET 1, the second position goes to GDET 2, the third to GDET 3 and the fourth to GDET 4. So it's a complete fight all for GDET. A round of applause for them.
So I'm Aditya, work for Whirlpool, I'm an engineer there. What we had here was a baking workshop. The whole idea was we wanted to give hands-on experience with our products, both small products and large appliances, just so that they have an idea of what to expect if they come and work for us. So here we have a KitchenAid stand mixer where we asked them to make cookie dough. We provided them with ingredients, pre-portioned ingredients. There was a step-by-step procedure that the students had to follow. Once they were done here making the dough, they would then come over to this station. We would have like a tray with a sheet, and then they would make cookie, small balls. After which we would then bake them in the oven. Once they were done, they would go here to cool, and after that the team could have the cookies that they have. The whole point is people feel very nice and proud when they make cookies. There is a sense of achievement for them, which is what we wanted to bring.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है।
Also, we'd like to know if there are any internship opportunities in Whirlpool. What skills does everything based on?
Absolutely. Maitreya, they want to know in general what the internship opportunities are, what kind of skills we would be looking for in interns.
So I was an intern in September. So I was there for 9 months. I was in simulation department. So what they do is they simulate things. What we are doing right now, they simulate virtually. Like this stand mixing, moving, circular. So how it will move, how the dough will react to it. So that's what they do. So I was there for 9 months, and if you want to be a part of it, you got this instinct to learn something new and quickly grasp it and just get it implemented. Yeah, so do that for 1-2 months and then go for actual projects, and that will just get you hired. You got to know answers, and this is the main one. Then Creo is supportive, like cat to cat. That's all you need, an instinct to learn.
Sir.
Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to Metavian Technologies. So we are a metaverse development company. We also cater services like augmented reality, virtual reality. We are into 3D modeling, architectural visualization and everything. So right now you can see one of our products, that is a 3D billboard. So it is a very strong advertising and marketing tool which can give you an immersive experience of the product itself as it starts interacting with you. हमारा मेन कोर है इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस देना सामने वाले को। तो जो थॉट आपने 5 साल 10 साल के बाद सोचा होगा वो आज रियलिटी में कैसे ला सकते हैं, वो प्रॉब्लम आगे जो आने वाली है उसको आज हम कैसे सॉल्व करें।
I or any particular student wants an internship in your company, what particular skills do they need or software?
So as you can say, this is a metaverse or virtual reality space. यहाँ पे स्किल्स से ज़्यादा यू वांट इंटरेस्ट, स्किल्स विल बी लाइक आपके पास कोडिंग नॉलेज होना चाहिए, लाइक C++, C# इज द मेन कोडिंग लैंग्वेज जहाँ पे गेमिंग और इसके लिए होती है. So what we are trying to do is a gamification in a business. Python will be here. then 3JS, 1JS, you must learn this. These are the language जो अभी future में use होने लगे. Most of the websites are going to convert in a 3D. So how you are going to convert those normal 2D boring websites into 3D immersive?
Yes.
I don't mind you are from BSc, BA, BCom. I just need education doesn't matter. Just your skill set. If you are having a right skill set, you are welcome into Metavian.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, myself Atharva Dhale. I'm sales manager in company Mooks Robotics. In Mooks Robotics, we are basically dealing with AI and machine learning solutions. We have two segments to deal with the customers. First one is the service robotics, that is the platform where you can see different kind of robots which can be used for different kind of service point of view. And the second solution is we are into computer vision services as well. So talking about the robots, like why we have made only this kind of robot, why we don't go with any trolley kind of robot or something like that. So idea behind creating this conscious robot is that we can send those robots directly to the space. They will do their own research and they will just send the inputs like what they have found and what they have researched to India.
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है.
So now I'll just show you the demo of Cardio. So it is a quadruptive robot. It can easily climb on different kind of bumpy surfaces because of his legs, and it can also stairs the climbs. It can also climb the stairs as well. It has a speed of 4 meters per second. It has basically 8 cameras, 4 at the front side. Then 2 are here, and we can add 2 more cameras at the bottom side.
बवाल चीज़ है बे.
एक लास्ट पर्सन की जर कोणाला इंटर्नशिप हवी असेल और जॉब इन मस्क रोबोटिक्स, what particular skills do you see?
Basically, talking about internship, we don't need trained people. We need trainable people. We need some curious mind who have or has some basic knowledge of coding. Then he might be knowing Raspberry Pi, Arduino Uno very well. Usually we hire computer and IT professionals. Then we do have openings for mechanical engineers as well for the designing of all those robots. And then again we need electronics engineer as well so that they can take care of the hardware part.
Any particular softwares or tools, like you mentioned coding, so any particular programming language?
Our company developers are using Python, then C# and C++.
Thank you so much. Great time.
इंडस्ट्री 4.0 इसके बारे में तो हम बहुत बोलते हैं. तो हम आए हैं COP. यहाँ पे एक स्टार्टअप एक्सपो था, उसमें 30+ स्टार्टअप्स थे. तो यहाँ पे उनके डोमेन्स क्या थे? ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी, 3D प्रिंटिंग, उसके बाद AR VR, उसके बाद एडवांस रोबोटिक्स. तो ये सब डोमेन्स तो हम एक्सप्लोर कर ही रहे हैं. तो वहाँ पे हम एक मक्स रोबोटिक्स करके एक स्टार्टअप था. उनके सर से मिले तो उन्होंने एक चीज़ बोली जिसका वैलिडेशन मुझे मिल गया. वो चीज़ मुझे हिट कर गई. तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमें ट्रेंड इंटर्न्स नहीं चाहिए, हमें ट्रेनेबल इंटर्न्स चाहिए.
और हमने कुकीज़ भी खाए.
तुझे अक्ल है? तू क्या बोल रही है?
तो आपको भी कुकीज़ के ऊपर आपको भी अगर इन टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग चाहिए या आप इनमें इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिए हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में.
And do reach out to GDX YouTube channel. YouTube पर ही है ब्लॉग.
चुप! एक शब्द नहीं बोलेगी.
Instagram channel as well as our LinkedIn. Thank you.